big dog. Oh, you filmed me. That's great. Good Christmas gift for you guys. Okay, all right, times, everybody, out of the pool, settle down. Hi, I'm Rod. This is Vertigo. This is my dog. Look at this dog. He'll fight bear, and they have collars for it. They have these big spikes that come out like that, and they'll go toe-to-toe with a bear. It's called an Angolan Shepherd. And what we're ranch on here is, 10 acres of running up and down hill. He's 140 pounds. Dog guy in the neck. 140 pounds. And he's a real pain in the neck. And he'll come charging at you, and right before he'll hit his back and roll you and take you right off your feet, just naturally anyway. Get one for grandma. Every Sunday. What a joke. Anyway. It's about his allegiance. You make a good promoter someday, you know that? Yeah.